So, you've sent an invoice or a quote, but need to make some changes. Maybe the customer's details need updating, or you want to adjust the quantities of the items sold. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to edit a quote or an invoice with Keepup Store quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, click on Sales and Orders from the side menu and click on Sales. This will take you to the Sales page, where you will see all your quotes, invoices, and receipts as sales. Note that sales that have payment cannot be edited. They can be cancelled or refunded, and a copy can be made to recreate them. On the Sales page, find the sale you want to edit and click on the 3 dots at the end of the sale. Select Edit from the drop-down. This will take you to the Edit Sale page, where you can make changes to the invoice or quote. Once you've made all the necessary updates, click on the Send or Save button at the bottom of the page. This will submit your changes and update the quote or invoice accordingly. Here's a quick side note on what happens to your inventory stock when you edit a sale. Products from the old sale are returned to inventory, and the new quantity is deducted based on your inventory reduction settings in your sales settings. And that's it. Editing a sale with Keepup Store is as easy as that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy selling!